So over here I got a chart, and let us work with themes right here. So I'm going to go into design, and once I actually choose a theme right here, you can see that all of the shape changes. But let's say I want to block one of the shapes from using the theme and changing colors. So let's say I want to just make this on my own. So I want to add in a custom color to this. So let me just select this shape. I'm going to go into home. So let me just go into fill, add in a different color for this, something for example like purple right here. And let's say for the effects, I'm going to add in some bevel right here. So this is the exact theme I want, and I do not want it to change once I select other themes. So in order to do that, I need to go to my developer tab. And if you don't see your developer tab, simply right click on the ribbon, go to customize the ribbon right here, and make sure that the developer tab is checked on. And once you do that, press OK. The developer tab will just be right there. So I want to protect this shape, so I'm going to select this shape right here, and I'm going to click on protection. And you see an option on what we want to protect it from. So let's say I wanted to protect it from formatting and text formatting right here, and let's say from theme colors, from theme effects as well, and so forth. So from theme colors, theme effect, theme connectors, that's fine. I don't want to change the font either, and theme index maybe, and that's it. All right, so I just want to protect it from these settings right here, and I'm going to press OK. Once you do that, now if I were to go to design right here, select another thing, you can see that that shape stays as it is, just like that. So you can do that with multiple shapes, as you can see right here. So another over here, you can select the themes according to that, and this remains unchanged. So now what I can do is, if I want to unprotect that and make sure that themes can be applied, I can go back to developer option right here. I can go to protection, and I can actually disable all of this, press OK. And once you apply the theme right here, you can see that now the color changes and it is not protected or blocked anymore. So that is how you can block themes in Microsoft Visio. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.